taking ChatGPT and adding it onto Bing, I don't know if that's the best idea because everybody knows what ChatGPT is, but nobody would sit there and think, oh, let me go ask Bing AI questions. They all go straight to ChatGPT. If that was their overall goal, I think they should have just had it part of Bing in the first place because the name that's going around isn't Bing, it's ChatGPT.
So I don't think they realized how powerful it was and how big of an impact it would make. So essentially, them combining it with Bing, it's not. They didn't think of this in the first place because they didn't really think that this could be that big of a thing.
Oh yeah, so they're trying to leverage.
Because you have to understand, OpenAI and ChatGPT. The ChatGPT we're seeing is the third rendition, right? It's ChatGPT 3. There were two other ones that people didn't give a fuck about or people didn't care about, right? And so now the third one comes out and it's a big thing, and they're like, oh, we have to capitalize on this. So let's combine it with Bing. But what they're not tracking is that essentially destroys their own search engine because the whole point of a search engine is, it gives you a list of all this stuff and then you can charge ads. But if you search and ChatGPT literally tells you the answer,
you don't make money from ad revenue.
Yeah, people don't have to click around anymore. They just, the answer's right here. So, I mean, it's kind of shooting themselves in the foot a little bit, but,
Yeah. I mean, knowing all that, like, how powerful do you think this will be in our daily life? Because I know as a software engineer, I know guys that maybe if they need help with coding, they may go to ChatGPT and it will actually code things for them. So in that aspect, because I haven't used much of it in my electrical engineering side, sometimes if I need a quick definition and I don't have time to go, guess which website is going to give me the best information, I'll just ask ChatGPT. And then if I, for my foundation, I feel like, okay, this is a little suspect, then I'll go back on Google and do double check